What is direct drive and what is direct drive in linear motion? Let's take a look at this picture. In between the two linear guides, there are the permanent magnets, here hidden by an aluminum plate. Inside the carriage, there is the block with the electric windings, the electric coils. There will also be a linear encoder for position control. And indeed, here we see two connectors, one for power and one for control, that are used to connect, let's say, the system to a servo drive. So as you can see here, what happens is there's no rotary motion that is converted into a linear motion. There's no mechanical transmission, and the motion is directly generated by the magnetic force without contact. The working principle is quite simple. It's basically the same in principle of a, let's say, a regular rotary motor, but instead of having a cylindrical geometry, we have a linear geometry.